Shift our focus back to the valley. Anti-terror operations are right now underway in Jammu and Kashmir, and we have learned that gunshots were heard today in Kulgam, that is in South Kashmir, and reports are suggesting that 2 terrorists have been trapped. The encounter is underway. And my colleague Zeenat joins us live on the broadcast for more. Zeenat, tell us more about the encounter that is underway. What is the latest you're picking up?
See, Rakshita, we are now seeing that the 2 encounters are taking place in the same district, that is Kulgam. One is here in Maudragram, where from I am reporting. The another is some 12-13 kilometers from this very spot. The area is called Chenigam, which comes in the Frisal Kulgam. And here you see the kind of cordon that has been carried by the Indian Army here. You see they are keeping an eye on these orchards, because this is a topography of this area. You see that it's densely more like a forest cover, where you see the more trees. It's very the visibility among these trees is very less. So this is how the area gets monitored when you see this any kind of encounter that takes place. This is a kind of drill that is going on in the outer cordon. You see the Jawans in the vehicles, stations. They are alert with their weapons. From the top of this vehicle, you see that the soldiers are monitoring the entire area. Then the kind of specific weapons and binoculars, the AKs and AK-47, 72, and all other equipments that you have. This is how the drill on ground goes when you have these encounters. Similarly, you see the orchards from the left-hand side. Here you have the walnut as well as the apple orchards. Again, you see the Jawans coming out. They are from the Jammu and Kashmir police. The orchards are being monitored. The entire area, this is under the cover. So this is a drill that goes when you are seeing the outer cordon, and presently the encounter, the exchange of fire that is taking place is some few meters from this area. You see the weapon, a Jawan with a weapon, with a headphone and other things. So he gets a signal about the entire operation, and then you see those Jawans are walking with the shield. That is a BP shield that they are carrying. So you have all kind of equipments on ground when you are dealing with the trained terrorists, when the terrorists that have fired upon the joint force. So one of the encounter here in Maudragram, the another is taking place, which now Jammu and Kashmir police has also confirmed their Twitter handle, that the Frisal Kulgam, where the encounter is taking place. As per the reports that suggesting the 2 of the terrorists are trapped here, and few of them are also trapped in the Frisal Gam encounter. So a good day for the security forces who were on hunt for these terrorists, and finally they managed to trap the terrorists in the 2 villages here in Kulgam. But the unfortunate part had come to the army, where they have suffered casualty of its brave heart. As of now, the 2 encounters going on in Kulgam, where one comes from Chenigam, the another from Maudragram, and this is all in district Kulgam, in South Kashmir, where the guns are roaring and the security forces are managing the ground.
Right. All right, thank you so much, Zeenat, for joining us with the updates coming in. So there are 2 encounters underway, as Zeenat was pointing out, viewers, and we will keep a track of the latest updates coming in on that. And viewers, those are the latest shots that have come in from the anti-terror operation in Kulgam, and of course the operation is currently underway. 2 terrorists are reportedly trapped in Kulgam, and we'll get you more details on that. And right now we'll shift our focus to some stories making news from across the country. That is Bharat in 5 minutes.